The students of class 10th, today our schedule is Airlines or Airways of India. Dear students, we are reading the lesson Lifelines of National Economy, Geography. It is the seventh lesson of Geography. Dear students, so far from this lesson you read about roadways, you read about railways, you read about pipelines, you read about seaports. Now you have to read airways. Dear students, the air travel today is the fastest, most comfortable and prestigious mode of transport. Dear students, it can cover very difficult terrains like high mountains, dreary deserts, dense forests, and also long oceanic stretches with great ease. Dear students, think of the northeastern parts of the country, northeastern, seven sisters of east. Think hilly areas, marked with the presence of big rivers, Ganga, Brahmaputra, big rivers, desert relief, dense forests, and frequent floods. Every year, Bihar and Assam is washed away by floods, and international frontiers like international borders with Pakistan, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan. In the absence of air transport, air travel has made access easier. Asan go imse. The air transport was nationalized in 1953. Nationalized after independence. The students, Air India provides domestic and international air services. Domestic means from Srinagar to Delhi, Delhi to Chennai, Delhi to Kolkata. These are domestic airlines and international airlines. International air service like Delhi to Qatar, Delhi to Saudi Arabia. These are international air services. Pavanas Helicopter Limited provides helicopter service to oil and natural gas corporation in its offshore operations. The students, difficult terrains like the northeastern states and the interior parts of UT of Jammu and Kashmir, UT of Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, hilly areas, and Uttarakhand. Dear students, now we will see on the map of India. This is map of India. We will see here major some we will see here some international airports of India. Dear students, here this is a airport at Amritsar. This is airport at Delhi. This is airport at Shivaji Airport, Mumbai. This is Hyderabad Airport. This is Travendranathpuram Airport. This is Chennai Airport. This is here Kolkata Airport. Thank you.